Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd love to show you two different ways of checking the serial number. The first one requires entering the secret code. So let's open the dialer and enter the code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now scroll down again to localize the status. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.